Hi, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. This like room size, accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several rooms are available online for the hotel along with various plans and payment policies. You can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel,